Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy in the computer room. It's 7:08 p.m. on January 9th in the year of perfect vision. My Fuji cam has decided to, terminally malfunct. It has halted, and I want you to tell me how to destroy it. Do I take a hammer to it? Do I set it on fire? Maybe I take my angle grinder to it, then pound it with a hammer and set it on fire. Let me know. And while we're at it, I'm going to try something again. I have a Patreon page where I'm doing pattern making for lost wax casting. I'm going to get further into lost wax casting if there's enough response. And of course also there's lapidary, cabochon mostly. Opals, to be specific. And things like alloying gold up, alloying gold down, refining it, cooking your alloy from weighed out portions of pure metal. Yeah, making them fancy. Anyway, if 3 people, 3, go to my Patreon page and spend $3 a month, I'll go to goatee. This stuff here on the side will go away. If 10 people patronize my Patreon page, I will go to just mustache. So hurry, hurry, hurry to Patreon and start spending the money if you want to see my chin. Bye for now.